Hello and welcome to the MPC Work-At-Home Network. For the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how you can stay at home, right there in the comforts of your home and your safety, and earn anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per day. Imagine that, being able to earn money staying at home with your laptop, your cell phone, and just working with other people that also want to stay at home. All right, let's get into this so you can start seeing how you can change your life by simply networking with others. Imagine sitting at home, relaxing on the couch with a cup of coffee or your favorite juice and earning $500 to $1,000 per day. The MPC Work-At-Home Network is helping average, everyday people to earn great incomes by simply networking and building with others. Our members are able to grow financially at a rapid rate of speed because they're not bothered with the task of buying or selling anything. Now, let me touch up on that. People have trouble when it comes to trying to buy stuff and sell stuff to others, so we would never have you to be bothered with that. We simply ask you to do one thing: introduce others to this great club where they could sit at home and make money, pay their bills, take care of their grocery and their family without having to be bothered with any of that. So no one here is buying, no one here is selling. The only thing that you do is simply grab a membership, invite others to come and do the same, join this great club and network with us, and you get paid instantly. Imagine getting paid directly to your payment processor the same moment that this person say, hey, I want to work at home too and get paid. That is amazing, guys, and that is what we have for you. Now, who our network is built for? Okay, this network is built for those that want to stay at home mom and dads. It's built for the underemployed as well as the unemployed. It's built for the college students as well as people seeking extra income. It's built for our retired seniors that need to have a little extra money coming in. It's also built for the people that staying at home due to the spread and fear of COVID-19. So this is for people that really want to stay home, operate, and make money using their smartphones, laptops, and tablets. How about that, guys? You do not have to leave home to make money. If you're ready to change your life by changing the way you create wealth, you're in the right place at the right time. During these uncertain times, guys, what if there was a way that you could work right from the comforts of your home and create a powerful stream of income? Now there is, right here with our network. Due to the current global pandemic, direct personal contact with others is limited. This has caused the normal way that we earn money to be altered. Working from home has become the new way to create wealth. Just think about that. During 2020, a lot of people lost their jobs and many chose to stay home because of the fear of COVID-19. So now you can sit home and make as much money as you want to make. Now, how do we do this? We're using two mobile applications, and you guys are very familiar with these. One of the mobile applications is video conferencing. That's simple, right? Jump on a video with somebody. Hey, how you doing, right? That's what we've been doing because of COVID-19, and also text messaging. Imagine how many text messages has been sent over the last year due to COVID-19, and we cannot go and participate with others the way we like. It is unimaginable. So imagine now that you can sit at home with our network, use these two same applications, and earn anywhere from 100, even thousands of dollars each and every day. And I didn't say every week. I said hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars each and every week. Now, how do our members earn? Well, first of all, we are a membership earning community. That means we simply earn as people say, hey, I want to be part of that network where I can stay at home too. As a member of the MPC Work-At-Home Network, our members earn by simply finding others that would also like to work from home. And lately, see, that seems like it's everybody, right? Everyone wants to stay home now and protect their families and stay safe. So this is something that anybody can do. Once our members locate other great people, just like themselves, who would also like to work from home, they are paid instantly and directly when that person comes aboard. Not only do they earn instantly and direct commissions, they also earn on everyone that jumps and takes another level within our club. We have three levels here. We have the silver, gold, and platinum. Everyone starts at the silver, they upgrade to the gold, and then they upgrade to the platinum. All of this is from profit. Imagine that. You're going to be here 100% free once you activate. What do I mean by activate? Once you come in for $100, 100 bucks one time. When the first person comes in, you're going to get your $100 right back. Then you're here absolutely free. That is amazing, guys. Each new silver membership pays 100 instantly, along with future upgraded commissions of 250 and 1,000 per personally sponsored members. So imagine if you have 5 or 6 members that come into this and they're upgrading to you at the 250 and then the 1,000. You're sitting here at home making more money than most people are going out here working the 9 to 5 job. This means that this is unlimited potential income. Let's go down, guys, and take a really good look at this. Now, what I want to do is stop right here because I really have to, this part has to be said. No recruiting needed. The first thing that you must understand about the MPC Work-At-Home Network is this. We do not recruit, right? Let me explain that to you. We do not recruit because we're not the police or the military. We are those that sit and share great opportunities with others, right? We share great opportunities with others. And you got to also understand something. No one wants to feel like they're being recruited because when they feel like they're being recruited, it just seems like a payday for someone else. So here we share great opportunities with others, help other people to get into these opportunities that we offer, and they get a chance to make great money working from the comforts of their home, guys. So you don't even have to worry about that because you're never going to be recruited here, nor will you be asked to recruit. Let's look at our memberships. We have our first membership is the $110 membership when you come in for 100 with a $10 administrative fee. Super simple. Once you're in, you start making money. These are our steps. Once you follow these steps, you are set and ready to go. Register for a new silver membership account for only a one-time $110 fee. Right? Share the opportunity with as many people as possible. Many people as you know that want to work and want to stay home and make money. Share this with them, okay? Get paid instantly when they decide to join and also work from home, just like you. That's amazing, right? You're building a team of work at home people that's getting paid. This is a chart. I want to go through this chart really quickly so you can see how it is that just with a few of your friends or family members that want to stay home, how your income could change every month. So let's start off. Let's assume that you've paid your $100 plus your $10 administrative fee to get your website set up and you're ready to go. Share this opportunity with people and start earning. Let's look at our chart. This membership levels here, which is silver, gold, platinum. These are our level costs, which we previously discussed, 100, 250, and 1,000. These are our members, and you notice it says 5 here. We're going to use 5 for illustration purposes only, so I can get a rounded out figure. But definitely, you want to bring in more than 5 people that want to work from home. But we're going to use 5 as illustration purposes only. And you'll notice down here it says same 5. Now we're just looking at 5, not a different 5, just the same 5 as we go through our levels within the network. And right here we have our compensation. This shows how much money you're going to be earning, right, when you first get paid off from these people coming in. Then it's going to show your upgrade levels, taking possession of your, higher payout levels. Then it's going to show your earnings. This is what's the most important sector here because this shows the money that you're able to go spend, do, what you need to do, pay your bills, buy grocery, take the family on a trip, whatever. This is your spendable money. So let's get started so I can get you out of here. Check it out. Let's assume you've paid your $100, your $10 administrative fee for your site, and you share this opportunity with just 5 people, only 5. When those 5 people duplicate your efforts, sending you $100, time those 5 people, that's going to give you $500. From the $500, you're going to upgrade and go into the gold level of our network for $250. You're going to bank the other $250. Now look at that. You came in for $100, did a little work, shared with just a few people that also want to work from home. And look, you have $250 in your account already. When these 5 people duplicate your efforts and share with other great people, because we're building a network, everyone must share with someone else. When they do the same that you did and bring it in 5, they're going to have 500, then they're going to upgrade to you for $250. Time those 5 people. Look at that, guys. Same 5. 250 gives you 1250. From the 1250, once again, you're going to upgrade to your next level, which is the premium platinum, for $1,000, guys. Amazing. When you do that, you're going to bank another 250. That's 250 and 250, which is 500 in your account already. That's great things, guys. That's great, isn't it? It's a great thing. Okay, so now when your 5 people duplicate that same effort, upgrading to you for the 1,000. This is where it gets serious, guys. Time those 5 people. This can happen in a week. Imagine this happening in 1 week. When they upgrade, time the 5 people. That's going to give you $5,000. From the $5,000, you notice it says no more upgrades needed because you own the silver, gold, and platinum. Everything from this point is profit. That's another 5,000 over into your green in your bank account. Add that with your previous 250 and 250. That gives you $5,500. You have just made $5,500 in 1 week's time, and if not in 1 week, definitely two. Imagine that. Then turn around and share it with another great five. Duplicate this entire chart all over again. That's another 55. Imagine if you did that 2 times in a month. That would be $11,000, guys. Doing what? Working from home, making more money than anybody that's going out busting their butt on a job. This is super simple and anyone can do it. So right now, I would like to welcome you in advance because I know after you've seen this presentation, whoever sent it to you, you're going to want to join this network and start working from the comforts of your very own home using your laptop and cell phone. So I'm going to welcome you in advance to the MPC Work-At-Home Network. Get back to the person that sent you this presentation, and if it was me, get back in touch with me so I can get you set up, ready to go so you can start earning today. Welcome to MPC. Have a great day.